Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you step by step on how to fix login issues with your Google Cloud account. Accessing your account is crucial to manage your projects, resources, and services, and these steps will help you regain access safely. Step 1. Go to the Google Cloud login page and enter your account email and password. Double-check for typos and ensure caps lock is off. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions sent to your recovery email to reset your password. Step 3. If you have two-factor authentication or 2FA enabled, open your Authenticator app or check your backup codes to enter the verification code when prompted. Step 4. Clear your browser cache and cookies, or try logging in from a different browser or device. Sometimes cache data or browser issues can prevent successful login. Step 5. Ensure your internet connection is stable and that any firewall or network restrictions are not blocking Google Cloud services. Step 6. If you're still unable to log in, check your Google account recovery options. Make sure your recovery email and phone number are up to date so you can regain access easily. Step 7. Contact Google Cloud support if none of the above steps work. Provide your account details and describe the issue clearly so their support team can help you resolve it efficiently. Following these steps should help you fix most Google Cloud login issues and regain access to your account securely. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more useful tutorials.